Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to my channel. This video, we're going to do a video on Solana. We're going to do a price prediction on it. For those of you guys that have been following me for a while, that's what I do. I show you how I trade, how I analyze the charts. And so I'm going to show you guys in this video. For those of you guys that are new, you're going to see how I price predict. Now keep in mind, this is for educational purposes only. I'm not telling you to jump in and jump out at any certain point, okay? Because trading is risky and you can and will lose money. I win and I also lose. But I'm going to show you how my technique works more often than not, okay? So I'm going to show you now and we'll go through it and we'll look at where Solana's at. We'll see where it could potentially get to and we'll calculate out the potential profit at the end, okay? So stay tuned. So let's go ahead. Let's look at the charts. Here's Solana right here. You can see I've got these black lines kind of all throughout the page here. You can see what happens is when price action breaks these lines, it more often than not will come back up and touch that line, okay? So you can see here that price did not break that one, so I'm going to skip that one. But over here, it broke the line and it came back up, okay? I'm going to show you. That's one. It broke this one. I could have bought anywhere down here, and then it came back up. And then if I would have missed it for some point, if I would have set my take profit up here, I would have definitely hit it on the next round as it came. Okay, so here's another one. Let's see here. Broke this one. We're going to see if it's come back to that point yet. It broke this one. Lingered down here. I could have bought anywhere down here. And it ultimately came back up. Just went a little bit above it and then shot back down. It broke this one, came back up. 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 So you can see that, like, if you're a swing trader and you're willing to trade with something that you like, that you want, that you're not going to just want to sell right away because you get nervous, that you're willing to hold long term, more often than not, it'll swing down and it'll come back up. Okay, so basically I just sit back and I wait. I don't buy stocks or coins that I'm not comfortable with holding, okay? So some of these other crypto coins that are out there, some of these, niche meme coins, these coins are probably not going to be around, guys. Solana and XRP, I think Solana is an ISO coin, but XRP is definitely a coin. I just did a video on XRP. If you are into XRP, you can watch that video too. But look, it did this one, came down, came back up. This one came back up. This one came down, broke the line, came back up. This one broke the line, came back up. And look, this top one, it did come back. I could have bought anywhere down here, anywhere, and just sat back, relax, go for a walk, go to the gym, and then waited, and it could have come back up. I'm on a 4-hour chart. I can do this on any time frame, guys. But you want to make sure that you invest enough to cover your fees. So you don't want to just come in and say, oh, I won, but then you lost because your fees basically ate up your win. This one broke that one, came back up. So this is kind of where we're at. Here's a line, has not come back to that. We are down here. It's been dropping. You can see, let me draw a trend line here. Hold on a second. You can see that it is still below this trend line. So it has potential to go lower. But ultimately, it should come back up. But where's it going to come back up to? Do I want to sit and wait for it to come up to this line here? I could, if I really believe in Solana and I want to hold on to it. Or what could I do? I could choose for it to come back to one of these lower lines, okay? So I'm going to base my analysis off this, okay? So keep watching. I'm going to show you how I track my trades and where I know where my profits are. So let's see. Let me write this down. So right now it's at, hold on a second, it's at 138. And then the potential is going up to 174 if I just run it up to here, okay, this line. I'll do this one too. What's that one at? 190. Okay, so let's go and we'll do an analysis of it. If you guys are liking this and you haven't seen anything like this before and you like the channel, please look down below and subscribe, and then also give me a thumbs up. That helps me out. Hold on, my dog just walked in. Okay, so let's go take a look at the trading tracker. Here it is. It's right here. I put this together. I did all the scripting and everything for it. I track all my trades, and you guys should too, because there's a reason. You want to know if you're winning or you're losing, okay? This isn't the one that I enter all my trades on, but this is just one for demo purposes. But you can see here, I've got the date, the symbol. I can choose whether it's a stock or a crypto or a Forex. I can put how much I want to invest. I can throw in numbers, change numbers out so I can see how much do I want to win? How much am I willing to invest? Where's my profit? I can put my entry price. It'll calculate how many shares or how many coins that I will get with that amount invested right in there. And then ultimately I'll choose my selling price. And then I'll put my date when it sells, and it'll calculate out what my profit is and what my percentage is. Look at these percentages, guys. These are ones that I did a while back. But you can go down the page here. Some of these ones I chose to sell because they were just not coming back. Look at these days on some of these ones. I bought Intel, sitting on it for 611 days. Oh, but that was back in like 2022. Yeah, you can see 2022 range, okay? I should have just bought NVIDIA at that time. Anyway, if you go down the page, these are some ones that I'm actually in right now on Tesla, NVIDIA, Amazon. And look at this. Look at the amount I'm going to make on these guys. Watch this one, Tesla. It's at 404 now. I'm going to put 404. Watch this. Watch how much I make. Boom, $2,800 on a $1,250. I'm going to make 225%. Okay. So let's go back to Solana. I entered it in already. I got the date. Today's the 16th of 2025. If you're watching this video beyond this date, then you probably want to wait for me to do another video, or comment down below and ask me to do another video if it's been a few weeks. Anyway, so I'll just put 500 in if I want to invest 500. I'm entering at 139. Hold on, let me go double check. It's at 139 right now. Okay, hold on. Let's see here. If I invest 500, I buy at 139. I can get basically 3.59 shares or coins. And then if I want to sell at 177, which was that one mark where I told you the line was going to come back. Hold on a second. If I want to sell right at this line right here, 177, okay? You guys can see that? Okay, let me go back. If I sell at 177, hold on a second. It gives me $136 profit off a $500 investment. I make 27% on my money. If I want to go up to the next line, which was 190, here, let's calculate it out. $183. Okay? Watch, let's go. Let's say you say, I've got $1,000. Well, let's say 750. 750 bucks. Going up to $190 if it reaches that level. I'm just sitting back, I'm waiting. I'll make $275. I'll make 36% of my money. Some of you guys might be at around, let's say, $1,500. I'll make $550, still 36% of my money. So this is how I analyze things. I'll come in here, I'll throw something down, I'll analyze it before I jump into a trade, see how much I want to make, what my potential is. If you guys want a copy of this script, I'll have a link in the description of this video. You guys can go and get one. Here's another great thing that I put together. I have a deep analysis page. On this page, you don't have to edit anything. It tabulates everything from the active page on the deep analysis. And you can see here, it tells me number of trades, number of trades not completed, so some that I'm still sitting in, waiting for it to take profit. I got my win rates. I got my average days in a trade. I've got my total wins, total losses, largest win, largest loss. I've got my average profit, average loss, and then I've got my total realized profit there. So that's it. That's how I analyze things. If you guys found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe. You guys are going to want to have me do some videos for you on different coins that you're looking at, or stocks. If you guys are into stocks, add a comment down below and say, hey, can you do a video on that? And I'm going to be adding other tools, other indicators that I'm working on, I'm coding. So I'm going to be sharing that with you guys. I'm going to be doing lots more videos. And I thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. And I need an idea for the next video. So let me know in the comments below. All right, guys, I'm going to end this now. You guys have a great day. I'm doing this video on Sunday, but I'm going to upload it on Monday, okay? All right, thanks.